Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's lip balm recipe is super easy. It will help make your lips more soft, more hydrated, and it will give you a good pinkish tint, and it's loaded with nutrients. Like, we'll make it with the help of beetroot, and it's already loaded with nutrients, and we are also going to add a lot of other good ingredients. So it's an all natural lip balm, and it's for everybody. Anybody can use it because it's all natural. And now that you are stuck at home, I think it's high time that you should start taking good care of your skin and your every part of your body. Okay, so you need to take care of your lips as well. So this lip balm will help you nourish your lips, and it will give you that red tint. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off, I'm going to quickly peel these beetroots. Then take a steamer, fill some water, and on the steamer plate keep these beetroots and let them steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, cut this beetroot into small cubes. We are going to make a paste out of it. So I have poured the water that was there in my steamer plate in the mixer jar. Now we'll make a fine paste like this. Now the things that we are going to need is this beetroot extract, some castor oil, cold pressed preferably, some unrefined beeswax, coconut oil, Evian capsule. This is optional as we are adding castor oil, so we'll need some empty containers to store it. I'm reusing my old cream bottles and old tester bottles that I got free with some products. So I've just quickly poured the beetroot extract in a pan, and we are going to heat it until most of its water evaporates. So we are doing this to actually get that rich dark color. Now I've taken this extract and I am pressing it against a tea strainer, and the final thing that we'll use that in our lip balm. So this rich dark color we'll use in our lip balm. Now on a steamer plate, I am keeping the glass bowl and I'm grating 3 tablespoons of beeswax. So just for information, it's heating from below. There's water in the steamer, and now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of castor oil to this, and we'll keep stirring. And I'm adding 1 vitamin E capsule liquid. Now I'm adding some coconut oil, 1 teaspoon, and if needed I'll add more coconut oil later. We'll mix this together, and finally we'll add our beetroot extract. And we are going to mix it all. So now if you don't have beeswax, and if you don't want to add beeswax, it's completely your choice. You can use only the coconut oil. I'm adding 1 teaspoon more of coconut oil to adjust the consistency. Now I'm keeping it directly in the water so that everything melts completely, and we'll just do this thing for 2 minutes, and we'll keep stirring. So while it's still warm, just pour it in your empty containers, and it will start solidifying immediately. So you need to do this process quickly, and you can refrigerate it so that it solidifies quickly. But even if you leave it outside, it will solidify in some time. So I had refrigerated them, and within half an hour I got this. So the color will completely change once it's cooled down completely, and this is how the texture is. It's extremely moisturizing and nourishing on the lips, and I really love the texture. So the thing is, the reason that I used beeswax and not used only coconut oil was because then you can actually keep it outside and it won't melt. Like if you see all other homemade lip balms, if you are using only coconut oil, then obviously at this temperature in the summers it's going to melt, and it's not practical to actually keep your lip balm in the refrigerator all the time. So if you want a lip balm that you need not refrigerate all the time, you can add beeswax. But at the same time, if you don't have beeswax and if you don't want to add beeswax, it's completely fine. You can add just coconut oil, and you can keep it in your refrigerator. It will be in the frozen form, and it will also act as a good lip balm. It's just that it's a little inconvenient to use it, to every time go to the refrigerator and use it. What if you want to keep it in your room, but because the lockdown is going on, you can actually skip on adding the beeswax, and you need to add equal quantity of coconut oil then if you're not using beeswax. Also, keeping any natural product in the refrigerator, even this beeswax version, if you keep it in the refrigerator, it will increase its shelf life. So you can anyways keep it in the refrigerator if you want to, and if you don't want to use beeswax, it's completely fine. So thank you so much for watching and staying with me till now. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. So yeah, take care. Bye bye.